What's going on, everyone? So in today's video, I'm gonna be using my new baitcaster I just got. I'll show you guys a better view when I get down there. Gotta kind of hurry up because I literally got 10 minutes until it gets dark. So yeah, let's just try to get on this water real quick, and I don't know if we'll be able to hook into something. I just want to use this reel and see what happens. Actually, this is the spot we're gonna be fishing. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference or not, but I got a new GoPro. I went from the first GoPro that came out. I was like, what the hell is that? I went from the first GoPro that came out to this is the Hero 7. So it's not like brand new or anything, but there's a lot of fishermen out here today. Yeah, we just gotta get out here quick. Don't know if I'll hook into anything, but just gotta be careful too because it's all muddy. I think. Oh, damn, there's a lot of people out here. Yeah, there's a lot of people over there too. Damn, there's a ton of people out here. That's this is the reel we're using. Cast King. It says citrus. I don't know really how to say it. But yeah, so that's what we're rocking with. There's a lure I got on there. Let's try to get out here without busting our behind. Just take it slow. Not too slow because we gotta get out there. There's a seal. Hella muddy. Alright, let's swing it out. Most people I've ever seen out here. Usually I'm out here by myself, but it is the weekend too, and the tourists are out. Good first cast. Super smooth reel. Like a bird just crapped right next to me. Really digging this reel. It'd be crazy if I just come here and catch something. There's a seal right in front of my where I just casted. There's a seal right there. Just a ton of seaweed. And here we got the 40-pound braid. It's like a white braid. I think it goes really good with this like sea foam color. Push this down a little bit. There we go. Keep hitting the bottom. I think I got a bite, but it's not a bite. Yeah, I heard people catching a lot of salmon out here in the harbor, so I know it's not for salmon, it's for stripers, but still want to get out here and fish for a little bit. It's been like a week since I fished, made a video and everything. Oh, what was that? Probably the seaweed. Yeah, you can't go too slow with this because then it gets stuck on the bottom. It's probably about like 4 feet out there, like 3 feet probably. You can probably almost walk to the boats. We'll try throwing it a little lower. Loosen up the, oh shit, that's way too much. Don't want to loosen up the tension too much because then you get a bird's nest. So far, this is my favorite brand of baitcasters. 1, because they're hella cheap, and 2, because they're really good reels. This one was like 50 bucks. My other one was like 30. Yeah, first time using the GoPro, so hopefully it turns out well. Go over here a little bit, a little too close. Get towards the water edge. Get that off. Definitely cast farther than my Abu Garcia. Could be because it's brand new and it's first time using it, so it's gonna go farther. Oh, I think I just snagged. Fuck. Oh, gang ton of seaweed on here. Yep, just as I thought. What's that? What is that shit? It's like a foot. What is that? That shit looks nasty as hell. I don't know what that is. That's gross as hell, though. I don't want to touch with my hand, that's for sure. Good thing for those rocks. I don't know what that was. Let me check the camera, make sure it's not wet. That was gross. Whatever that was. Looked like a hand. Get a picture of this baitcaster before it gets too dark. Okay. Hopefully I'll sell that pretty good. I think it's gross looking. I don't know what that is. Don't really want to know. And usually you come out here, there's nobody out here. But today there's hell of people. Maybe they watch the videos and they know. Who knows? The thing about the GoPro, well, you guys can't see it, but it's like a touchscreen in the back. I thought it would stay on the whole time, so it'd kill the battery hell fast. But so far, it has stayed off. Hopefully the audio is better than usually is too. As I told you guys before, the video is going to slow down because obviously my son was born, so I'm not going to be able to make videos very often like I did before. I'll get out when I can. Hopefully I'll make longer videos. This one's going to be shorter, obviously. Probably about like 10 minutes. They're usually like a half hour almost. So, but yeah, I gotta take care of the baby, so I would much rather, well, I wouldn't say much rather be doing that, but it's just as fun as fishing. Seeing them grow up and stuff, it's really cool. It's pretty awesome being a father too, as well. Never thought I'd have 2 sons. It's pretty awesome. I think I gotta rig this up different as well. Gotta tie this on the other way, because it's coming, when I reel it in, it's coming up upside down. But yeah, it's a blessing. Hopefully we'll for my next kid, we'll have a daughter from my wife. But the way me and my dad have kids, I don't think so. He's got 3 boys, I got 2 boys now. There'll probably be another boy, and then I think we'll call it quits then, because I don't think my wife wants 3 boys. What is that? It's like these little things that like squirt up out of the ground. All these little holes down here. They're like little, I don't know if there's fish down there or what the hell. That's confusing. Yeah, the comments let me know if you guys know what that thing was that I hooked into. That thing was gross looking. Looked like it was some kind of hand thing. I don't know. All I know is I was not trying to touch that with my hands. So good thing I had that rock right there to help me out. Give it a few more casts. It's getting pretty dark. I don't even know if you guys can see. Yeah, I'm looking at the GoPro. It's at 12 minutes right now. You can see, pretty good. That's pretty cool. Hopefully it looks a lot better for you guys. It's the Cast King. And then let me know if you guys know how to pronounce that. It's the Crisis, maybe? I think it's the Crisis. That sounds like it would be. And then the handles, if I can get it, has a little Cast King logo. I think I like it too because it's like a shark, their logo. It's pretty tight. But yeah, so far my favorite. I got 3 baitcasters now. And I still paid about $30 less for both of these combined than I did for that Ivo Garcia. So can't beat that. And they feel like better quality. So next time I go to the lake, I'll be set. I can do 3 different setups on my baitcasters. I think it'd be so cool to live on a boat, dude. Like all these people out here, I just think it'd be so cool. Okay, I don't know why it just turned off. Maybe if you go too long, it stops. Yeah, I don't know why people say that the battery life on this GoPro is pretty bad. I just recorded for about 14 minutes right there. It only went down like 5%. So this will be plenty for when I do my videos. Maybe because, I don't know, the fishing YouTubers, they stay out for like 8-9 hours. It's not really me. Well, I don't think well, unless I went with my dad. That's a good view, man. Yeah, I'll give it a few more casts and then I'll head home. Yeah, I definitely need to tie this on different. I just looked down and noticed that the record button wasn't flashing. So I don't know when it cut off, but anyhow, we won't be out here too much longer. I'll try to retrieve this one a little slower and then probably call this one the last cast. Skip a little slower. I should have got those lures from my dad, at least one of them, for the salmon. I mean, I didn't hear people were catching them out here. I just wanted to come out here, so I thought I would be by myself, but not a chance. Okay, one more. I just want the last one. It's getting pretty dark. I'll try to jig this one in, even though it's not a jig. If I had a boat, I'd do just like that guy. It's getting nighttime, just throw your rod out. You're already in the water. Could fish all night from the comfort of your house. Of course, I don't think he lives on that one because it's a pretty small boat. He might be going out tonight. That's not a fishing pole, that is a hose. Never mind. I thought he was fishing. He's cleaning his boat. Okay, I think we'll call it. Just wanted to, like I said, try out this reel with this. I mean, I tried these lures before. This is the one I snagged. But then somebody commented on my video, the one I made, I think the last one I made over here, that they found my craw over here when I was trying the freshwater lures and snagged that piece. Up a little bit. This is where we're fishing. If you go over here, the jetty's that way. If you just keep walking along the path, this path up here. And from the previous video, that was my natural pole holder. Yeah, I think that's gonna do it for this one. I want to get a video out because it's been a while and just go fishing for a little bit, even though it's only 20 minutes, but it's cool with me. I just miss going out fishing. But yeah, I'll do a video in probably a few days, maybe sometime next week. I'll figure it out. I don't want to be out too much because I also want to help my wife out. So yeah, that's gonna wrap this one up. I'll do the outro at the truck and then I'll wrap this one up. Thank you guys for watching. Alright guys, hopefully y'all can see me. Well, I can see myself, so y'all should be able to see me. Nice little close up there. But yeah, we didn't catch anything, but I mean, I was out there for 20 minutes ish. It's starting to get dark, as you can see behind me. In the truck, it's super dark. Yeah, it was fun to get out there, try out the new Baitcaster. Super smooth. I like how it retrieves. Well, obviously nice and smooth. Cast King is honestly my favorite bait casting company right now. Let me turn these lights on. Doesn't make a huge difference, but yeah, Cast King is my favorite bait caster right now. I don't think I'll ever go back to those overpriced, bait casters anymore. I spend like $100, $150 on a freaking reel. I don't see really like why it's worth it, But yeah, other than that, it was fun getting out, as I said before, and yeah, hopefully we'll go again soon. Thank you guys for watching, and remember to keep your lines tight.